Human memory cannot be measured in gigabytes or terabytes. Perhaps it's true, architecture remains one of the greatest unsorries of the human mind.
Humanity has built enormous data centers to store information. Thousands of servers, miles of cables, complex cooling systems, constant maintenance. Yet inside every human brain exists a memory system that has operated continuously for decades, often without any maintenance at all. We often compare the brain to a computer. We talk about memory storage, retrieval, processing, and capacity. But what if this comparison is fundamentally flawed? What if human memory is based on principles that modern technology has not yet discovered? Consider this. A person may instantly remember an event that happened 50 years ago. The memory may appear almost as vivid as if it happened yesterday. Yet the same person may struggle to remember what she ate last Tuesday. If memory were simply a storage problem, why would time alone fail to determine what is remembered and what is forgotten? Human memory appears deeply connected to associations. A forgotten event can suddenly return when triggered by a familiar object, smell, place, or sound. The memory was not lost. It simply lacked the correct stimulus. Perhaps recollection is not about locating stored data. Perhaps it is about activating the correct pathway through an immense network of associations. Modern neuroscience has begun exploring concepts such as memory linking, memory drift, and distributed memory networks. These ideas suggest that memories may exist as interconnected patterns rather than isolated files. But even these models may not fully explain the remarkable behavior of human memory. Consider another paradox. People often desperately wish to forget painful experiences. Yet the more importance they assign to forgetting, the more frequently the memory returns. Perhaps forgetting is not simply the absence of storage. Perhaps it depends on how much priority, attention, and emotional significance a memory receives. Every human being experiences an enormous number of events throughout a lifetime. Conversations, faces, places, emotions, decisions, failures, successes, and yet many of these experiences remain available decades later, waiting for the right trigger. Compare this with modern data storage systems. Servers require power, cooling, redundancy, monitoring, upgrades, and constant maintenance. The human brain performs its memory functions continuously for decades, using only a fraction of the energy consumed by technological systems. This raises an intriguing possibility. Perhaps the true architecture of memory remains largely unknown. Despite tremendous advances in neuroscience, researchers still do not fully understand how memories are represented, stored, modified, and retrieved. Maybe memory is not measured in gigabytes or terabytes. Maybe those concepts belong only to machines. Human memory may be something fundamentally different. A living network of associations, emotions, priorities, experiences, and meaning.
If that is true, then the greatest memory system ever known may not be humanity's computers, but humanity itself. The question remains, have we truly understood memory, or have we only understood our machines?
Perhaps it's true, architecture remains one of the greatest unknown mysteries.